Good morning, guys. How is your day going today? Scott Patterson here from My Total Life Happiness channel. Now, today's video is, I've made a note down here. It is organic versus paid traffic. Now, when you're starting out in any business venture online, personally, I would start with free or organic traffic first. The reason why is because if you do not know what you're doing, especially in the paid world, you can blow your budget like really sky high and get no results. So even though it's faster to get results with paid traffic, I would suggest that you start with organic traffic methods, and I'll show you the best 3 or 4 methods that I know work today, that still work and will work forever, and that's probably the best place to get started. Yes, it will take a little bit of time, unfortunately, but I'd much rather you get started the right way and not waste all your money. And once you sort of start getting some results and getting some sales in, then you can scale your business up and then go down the paid route. And I'll show you the best paid methods as well, as an overview. But anyway, let's get into it. First of all, free traffic. Blogging has been around forever. Blogging still works. Blogging is a great place to start, especially if you like writing. If you enjoy writing, then you can set up a WordPress blog for free and start creating content. And the more content you create, the more traffic you will get. And what you want to do is make sure they're keyword rich. So make sure they're keywords and things that people are searching for, and then you'll start to get traffic. The next one here is good old YouTube. I like YouTube, and this is my preferred method because YouTube is a search engine, and it's a video search engine, but nonetheless it's owned by Google. And whenever I go searching for something, especially if I have problems or solutions that I need to find, I go to YouTube first. Now, YouTube is, once again, it's free to set up. You can monetize it down the track, but I also use it to promote affiliate offers, and you can check out the affiliate offer that I suggest that I'm working with at the moment, and that's the first link under this video, called my #1 recommendation to make an online income, or something along those lines. Click on that, it'll take you to a free video. You can watch what I do. But anyway, YouTube as well, it takes a bit of time to get started, but once you start getting traffic, it starts moving really quickly. I'll just give you a quick example of what I've been doing. So you can see I only started this officially in May, but I've only really been ramping it up the last 6 weeks. So in that time I've made 55 videos, and you can see like early September I was getting no views. So it's pretty much, it's very slow to get started, but what you're doing is feeding the YouTube algorithm with what it wants. It wants content. So if you can do that on a regular basis, and you have to be consistent, so I do every day now, and I'm getting some good results. So before I was a bit haphazard here and there, maybe weekly, maybe fortnightly, and you can see the results there. Then I started doing daily videos, and boom, start to move. So 1.2 thousand, that was 1.6 thousand, just under 1,000 a day, which is good. So it's heading in the right directions. But that's taken me about 55 videos to start to see some traction, but we're getting there. So we've got 20,000 views so far. Just the last 30 days I've had 6,000 views, so you can see it's really starting to move along. which is good. The other thing I like about YouTube is if you can get ranked in the top. I'll show you this quickly. If we go to Google, let's type in affiliate marketing. Would be a good one. If you're going to get ranked in the top 3 on YouTube, you go into this carousel, and this then puts you on Google, and that's for free, and that gets you a lot of traffic. So aiming to be 1, 2, or 3 on YouTube. I do have other videos that show you how I've got first position before on YouTube, so just check that out, and then you can learn how to do it as well. So that is YouTube, which is very appealing. Facebook's another one. I don't really use Facebook that much for organic traffic. I know a lot of people get success out of it, so I sort of use it to post my videos, and then you sort of engage. You can engage with people, you can join groups and all that sort of stuff. So I've got 3,795 friends, and they're all through finding groups. So you go to like business-like groups and find like-minded people, and they will you can interact with them, and if you can talk to them, engage, share offers, all that sort of stuff, that is one way of doing it, and you can get some really massive success. It's just not the route I've chosen. I prefer YouTube, and I enjoy making videos like this. So that's Facebook for free methods. Now TikTok is an up-and-comer, and I like TikTok because if I show you just quickly, if we go into Social Blade, now Social Blade is a third-party analytics website focusing on social media. So have a look. Just have a look here. Now, YouTube is very popular, but it's pretty tricky to get started. It takes a while to get started, especially until you find your groove and find a niche. This is how many YouTube creators, so how many YouTube accounts are out there, which is 45 million worldwide, which is a few. It's a few, especially if you're competing in a very popular niche like I am, make money online. But if you come down to TikTok, look at this number. Why TikTok is blowing up for people, and what a lot of people do, and what I'm doing, is I use TikTok as an ad source. So you do little 15-second videos, or 1 minute if you want to. I just do 15-second videos, and I drive traffic from TikTok to my YouTube channel. And look at that, worldwide there's only 300,000 creators, and that is why it is so popular. And it's why it's working so well for people, because there's no competition. You've still got, and I think the last 6 months they've had 500 million people join it, but there's only 300,000 people creating. So there's a lot of people on the platform, but not many creators. So I would jump on top of this before it becomes really popular and a lot more creators are out there. So now is the time to get involved in that. So that is where I would start anyway. Any of these will get you started the right way. I focus on YouTube videos myself, and I do TikTok videos to drive traffic because of that reason. So now paid methods, I'll just show you quickly. All platforms have a paid offer, basically. So, but the most popular ones are Facebook. So you go to business.facebook.com, you set up a ads manager account, and then you can run ads. And there's a whole process of learning that. I'm not going to go into that right now, but it does work. It does work, but I wouldn't start there to start in the beginning. I would educate yourself firstly, get some runs on the board and some results, and then look at spending money. That is Facebook. And Google Ads work still. I started making my very first sales on Google Ads way back in 2004, but it's a lot more complicated now. Back then you could just run an ad, put an affiliate link on it, and boom, you're in business. And literally overnight I was making $350 a day in sales, which was crazy. But anyway, things have changed. It's a whole different ballgame now, so you need to educate yourself on that. But what you can do is you can use Google Ads to advertise on YouTube, and you can get some really cheap ads. I tested this out. You get like fast traffic. So what you're doing is advertising on specific videos, and you get like clicks as low as 3 and 4 cents, and that was what I was getting, which is pretty cool. And that allows you to sort of get yourself in front of an audience quickly. But once again, it's paid, and I'll wait until you get some results. And thirdly, this works really well. Solo ads, buying solo ads. Basically what you're doing is leveraging off someone else's list that they've built. So you find a topic that or niche you want to go into, and then find people to, so here's an example. This fella, top quality traffic with buyers, high quality clicks, fresh, so he's into BizOp, make money online, but he charges 65 cents a visitor or click. So unless you've got a back end monetized and set up to recoup that cost, then I wouldn't be doing that just yet. But it's a really good way to build a list as well. If you want to build a list quickly, because these guys trust this fella, when he promotes your offer, I was getting about a 40 to 47% click-through rate, and I was getting opt-in. So each opt-in was costing me about $2. Once you worked out, not because not everyone opts in. So if you send 1,000 people, about 200 were opting in, something like that. And I wasn't using his, a bit expensive. I found some other guys a bit cheaper, about 40 cents. But anyway, it works. It works, and you can build an entire business just on doing solo ads alone. But once again, depends on your budget. So if you don't have a budget, start with free stuff. Get the free stuff happening. Personally, I would go YouTube. I would go TikTok, and then get yourself set up. And that is about it. I'll just show you quickly. This is the link I was talking about. If you want to learn more about what I'm doing, just come to this link, any of my videos, click on that, and that'll send you to a free video, and you can watch to see what I've been doing. But apart from that, that is it for me. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the bell notification. That way you don't miss out on future videos from me. That is me, and you enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.